What's up, guys? Mo over here from turnupthecomfort.com. It's the morning, just got into the office, and I wanted to take a quick video and show you how I look on a regular day. So this is what the crazy guy looks like when he comes into the office. He's got his bag, he's got his stuff, and I want to show you more about that. So first things first is, let's put the stuff down and go from there. Over the years, a lot of people would ask me, how do you become a great apprentice? How do you become a great mechanic? How do you become a great person as far as that type of stuff, as far as working goes? And I've got three tips that I want to share with you, and one of them is be rested, be prepared, and be crazy. So now let me go through that. Be rested. I am extremely well rested. Now it looks like I may not be rested. I do look like I'm a little tired, but I can assure you I got 7 to 8 hours of sleep last night, and I will figure that out into my schedule pretty much almost every day of the week. For the weekends, I make sure to get 12 hours of sleep. Friday night to Saturday morning, no shadow of a doubt. Saturday afternoon, I make sure to get some rest, and Saturday night I get another 8 to 9 hours of sleep. I'm fully charged up, just like your cell phone's battery. Next thing is, make sure to get some good coffee. This is some Black Rifle coffee. I always drink it black. Why? I don't want any of those little sugar spikes, those little Dunkin' Donut spikes, those little fluff spikes. Some other stuff is, I make sure to bring my food with me every day to work. If I don't, I will go hungry. I will not eat crab food. That's not how I roll. I've got some plain Greek yogurt from a local place called Bethel Farms. Support your local places in New York. I did bring some chocolate just in case I get a little snacky. I shouldn't go eat some crap whole food. Very low sugar, high chocolate, high cocoa chocolate. And I've got over here, I've got leftovers from last night's dinner. This is meat and some sausage and some broccoli. So now over here, I'm already wearing some thermals. It's about 19 bucks for this like marine wool thermal. I've got my Turn Up the Comfort shirt. If you guys should be getting your Turn Up the Comfort shirt by messaging me, I'm happy to send you one free of charge, as long as you rep us and happy with us and don't give it turn it inside out and put your friend's name on it. Always keep a nice hat with me to keep warm. I've got one of my Turn Up the Comfort shirts, sweatshirts with me. This way you got a hoodie, even though the weather is beautiful outside. You never know what you're going to be into. You never know what time you can be out. I've got my Blower jacket. Blower makes a great jacket, make great gear. This is for cops. It's good for cops. It's good for me. This is actually a shell of a jacket, and I wear this solely as a jacket until it gets down to about 15 degrees, which at that point I got to put on one of my other ones. Next thing I always have with me is, to be prepared, is my Kelty Red Wing backpack. And what I do with this backpack basically is, I have my laptop in there, I got my notepad, I got my pens, I got my chargers, I got everything I need in that backpack to keep me through a day. Now, of course, you're not seeing the water. I will show you the water right now. The water is at my office door. Before we leave in the morning, I always grab a couple of those. And of course, I've got about 1.5 liters of water in the truck. So now, we just went through to be rested, which is very short. We just went through to be prepared. And the next thing is that if you're rested and you're prepared, if you go cold or you don't have the food or you need to think or something's a problem, you'll be able to get through that, because you won't get your head jammed up thinking about where you're going to get your next meal, because you just had food. And if you're rested and you're warm and you're a little hungry, you'll be able to deal with it. But when you're tired, when you're not rested, when you're hungry, and when you're cold, it's going to be difficult. And that's going to come on to the third item that you need over here, which is to be crazy. And you got to be crazy. You have to be crazier than everybody else. When you're carrying something, never say that you're tired of carrying it. Just carry it. You know what? You're going to boost everybody else's momentum. When you're hungry, don't let people know that you're starving too. Nobody cares that you're starving. They care that they're starving. So all you got to do is let them know, we're starving. We're going to get food. Let's get through this next project together. We're going to take a break in an hour, a half hour, 45 minutes. We're going to be home in 3 hours, whatever that is for you. When you're cold, guys, yes, you should not be uncomfortable. But if you're uncomfortable and you're cold, you're hungry, just go ahead and let the other guys know it's okay, it's good. If you take these 3 items, you're rested, you're prepared, and you're crazy, you're going to get through every single work day. I don't care if you're a plumbing, heating, cooling, you're an accountant, you're a cop, you're the military. We know people from all different facets of life. Be great. Turnupthecomfort.com. My name is Mo. 347-460-HEAT. Reach out to me. I look forward to helping you, whatever you do.